Learn English with Titanic movie. You won't believe how Titanic teaches English tenses. Mind-blowing. Part 9 of 10. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Which of the following is a time marker of the past perfect tense? A. At this instant. B. Earlier. C. Later. Correct answer, earlier. Example from Titanic movie, the iceberg had been spotted earlier, but no action was taken. Which of the following is a time marker of the future simple tense? A. Yesterday. B. Tomorrow. C. Often. Correct answer, tomorrow. Example from Titanic movie, we will arrive in New York tomorrow. Which of the following is a time marker of the future simple tense? A. Last week. B. Soon. C. Currently. Correct answer, soon. Example from Titanic movie, the ship will reach its destination soon. Which of the following is a time marker of the future simple tense? A. Always. B. Next year. C. Right now. Correct answer, next year. Example from Titanic movie, the story of the Titanic will be remembered for next year and beyond. Which of the following is a time marker of the future simple tense? A. In a moment. B. Daily. C. Previously. Correct answer, in a moment. Example from Titanic movie, the captain will make an announcement in a moment. Like, comment and subscribe.